the child artist. She is just stepping into her teens. Amma vayasi katana 11 chunna. She is just stepping into the teens. Of course, she is quite known that way through the television media and through other kind of programs that she has been performing in the city of Mumbai. Kumari Janani Shrikant commenced her initial training in Carnatic music at the age of 7 under the tutelage of Guru Srimati Lakshmi Padmanabhan, disciple of Sri Challamani Bhagavatar, who was the first principal of Sri Shanmukhananda Sangeet Vidyalaya. At a very short span, she commenced participating in several music competitions across the city and has already won several awards. In fact, even before she got that recognition at the Jaya TV, we had booked her for this concert. She would, it's not as if we gave her this chance after she got that award. Modale nanga avada koyande paado chance kodu feel panno, and we gave her this opportunity to perform on this platform. Today she is supported on the violin by Srimati Sharda Murli and on the mridangam by Sri P.S. Parmeshwaran and on kanchira by Sri N.Y. Ishwaran. Srimati Sharda Murli hails from a musical family. She had initial training from her father, late A. Anantaraman, and her late aunt, Srimati Champakavalli. Her father had started a music school in Calcutta in the name of Guru Kuhar Gana Vidyalaya, and currently it is run by her sister. She is accompanied on the violin many concerts in and around the city of Mumbai. I don't think I need to say anything about Sri P.S. Parmeshwaran. He is such a stalwart, a very senior Mridangam Vidwan of the city of Mumbai. Sri P.S. Parmeshwaran is the disciple of Sri L.V. Vaidyanathan of Calcutta and had his further training from Palghat T.S. Mani Iyer. He had the privilege of getting associated with all leading Mridangam artists. He has accompanied all the top ranking artists of his time. He is the A-grade artist of All India Radio, Mumbai. On Kanjira we have Sri N.Y. Ishwaran, a serious student of Sri Rajesh Srinivasan for the last 16 years. He has been accompanying all leading artists from Mumbai in both Mridangam as well as Kanjira. Also accompanied leading artists from Chennai, to name a few, Sri T.M. Krishna, Shikil Guru Sharan and others. He has had the privilege to serve and take few lessons from Kanjira Maestro Sri Hari Shankar also. On behalf of all of you who are present today, let us all wish Janani Shrikant an excellent future and a good concert today. I think it is her mother who is sitting behind her as a moral support. Thank you. Can leave this camera for a minute. Yes, pull it out. Can not get disturbed. You are not supposed to sit on the floor. Floor no corner please. Lebar aap kilo karan kore.